How to get refund on Temu without returning the item. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the Temu's refund policy. You can check these. If your order lies under this Temu's refund policy, you can apply these processes to get your refund without returning the item. So what you have to do is open your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of view. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option of customer support. Now at the very bottom you will find this option of contact us. Tap on it. Now here you have to type in "can I get a refund?" and with that you will get this pop-up. Which order do you need help with? You have to tap on the option select order. Over here you will get the list of orders. Now you have to select the order for which you want to get the refund. After you select the order, you can have conversation with Temu customer service. You can give reason why do you want the refund and about the product details. Also you can have some sort of negotiation with Temu customer service. After you give the details about your product and explain about your reason why do you want to get refund, and if Temu agrees with that, you will get the refund without returning the item. So this was all for this video. This is how you can get refund on Temu without returning the item. If this video was helpful to you guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.